Hello, it's Dan, Hero Soft Wash. So today we're actually going to go and do some, I don't want to say steam cleaning, but hot water, low pressure washing of some bricks for a customer in Birmingham city centre. I'm teaming up with my friend Ollie at Unique. So he has a cherry picker, so we basically just team up on jobs when we need a cherry picker. I sort of bring the equipment, he brings the cherry picker. How did we get this job? I know that's kind of important to some of you guys. You're like, how do you get these jobs? Honestly, Google. So I think Google is the best place to get your inquiries from. It's the best place to get your inquiries from. So in terms of like new leads, I would say it goes referral as the top sort of, like, as long as the customer you've just dealt with is awesome, referral is like the best lead source, followed by Google, like organic search, like when you rank organically, and then like maybe Google ads, then Facebook ads and all this type of stuff. So yeah, that's how we got the job. We got it through Google, and yeah, we should hopefully do this little small section of cleaning some bricks, and then maybe we'll be able to do like the whole building as well. So yeah, I'll just show you the process, and might find it interesting. I don't know, who knows. Not too bright with the camera there, but we're just getting rid of the organic stuff. But this is now where the problems start, the paint. So we're just washing everything off, and it looks almost dirtier in some ways. It's revealed the graffiti. So we're just finishing up on this job now. Ollie's just doing the water-fed pole on the windows. Had the cherry picker up there. Probably one of the things to probably learn the most on this, if you're doing the steam cleaning and there's anything to do with paint, double check the condition of the paint, because we ended up having to like strip it off with the steam cleaning because it just looked rubbish. So pay attention to the quality of the paint, especially if you're going to use heat for anything. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. Peace.